Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Autopsy results show man was stabbed to death at Hillsborough home on Saturday. Autopsy results show that a man found dead in Hillsborough home Saturday morning died of stab wounds, the Attorney General's office announced. Officials on Sunday identified the man as 51-year-old Brett Wilson. They said Wilson was found dead at 25 Old Henniker Road, Unit 1, shortly before 3 a.m. Saturday. On Sunday, an autopsy was performed on Wilson, and the manner of death was ruled a homicide. Everyone involved in the incident has been identified, and there is no threat to the public. The Attorney General's office said in a press release, no arrests have been announced. Wilson's last known address was in New Loudon. Officials are asking anyone with knowledge of his activities in recent days to contact State Police Sergeant William Bridget at 603-271-3636. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for more news reports. Good night, everyone. Bye.